Good morning, guys. So this is how they grate coconut in the Philippines. They use in manual method. They call that grater here in Ilocos as igad. And in Tagalog is kayod. Kayod.
Like
Kayod ng
Mama.
nyog. Yes. Or kudkuran.
What?
Yeah.
We can use that for a bowl, guys.
Yeah. And from the old days, they use in the coconut, like as the coconut shell as the bowl, or well, they eating, or they using it as a bowl to put soup on it. We're waiting
So,
for
guys,
them to
we
finish one.
ate that before and
So,
it tasted
give me that, Zion. Let me see how it looks. So this is how it looks, guys, when it's finished. It's cool. Oh, my uncle got 4 then, so he would. And this manual thing is faster than the one that I guess. This is what they do in old days if they don't have the grater. Or sometimes I think they use blender. The people that don't have the grater, that kayod or grater, they use the blender to blend to grate the coconut. So he will just keep doing the same method, and then next time I'll show you how it gonna be look when he finish grating all of it. So I'll be right back, guys. So he's doing the last one, guys. We're waiting. I think it's almost gone. Almost done.
Yep, it's almost done
It's
already.
almost done. So, this how they get the coconut milk. They just go and squeeze this and get the coconut milk, as you can see. So that's how they get. See how juicy that is? It's on my hand. So that's how they get the coconut milk.
I want to help get the coconut milk. And so these.
So it's done. So he's done, guys.
And so these are how all of it looks.
It's done, guys.
Bye bye. Bye.
This how much he got for
Bye.
like 2 coconuts. He just cut it, so that's why he got 4. So this is how it looking, guys. So my uncle just go and squeeze this to get the juice.
I want to help mommy. I want to help.
Actually, you can eat it like this if you want.
Can I help?
Alright, guys, thank you all for watching, and see you all next time.